an Oculus Quest Lite 3 wrist strap, head strap thingy, and it's quite nice. It makes it a lot easier to not like sweat all over it, because like some of the sweat will go out here, these little vents.
That was one complaint he had been having with before we found this, was that he was getting kind of sweaty. Also, it would get very uncomfortable on his face. Does it improve the comfort?
Yeah. But when I first got it, I didn't like it at first.
I remember you saying
I had to readjust it, and it just felt weird because it's something new. Something new feels weird. But after that initial, it doesn't feel good. It feels really good.
So now you're glad you have it.
Yeah. And the material is way nicer and doesn't itch or scratch when I like moved around on my head.
Yeah, it's very cushiony, so it gives a little bit more support. Normally, it puts a lot of pressure on your forehead right here, and that is the most cushioned part. So that when that's on your face. Did you wear it for how long? How many hours that day?
I don't know. I just when I like get reminded of my VR, I like using it for a while.
Yeah, a long time. He was doing all kinds of things with this thing on. He was almost making a YouTube video with the amount of time he was in this thing. But this part right here is super, super cushiony. I've never even tried it. Let me try. Oh yeah, that is very soft. It's like having a pillow on your face. Do you recommend this?
Yeah. There is one thing that still bothers me. It's the fact that the nose hole is just a little too big.
The nose hole here, right here?
Yeah, just a little too big for my nose. So it always just like, it touches right here, and it's supposed to touch right here. It's not the biggest deal. It's still great.
What do you think they could have done to make this help with the nose? Make it go a little bit further?
I think this part actually needs to go up.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Crosby.
But I liked it, and it was great, and that's however much.
I'll link that little cover for you. It goes only to that particular Oculus. Hey, I'll link that Oculus too. Crosby loves that thing, and one day I think he spent 20 hours in it one day. He was doing everything he could. He wanted to eat in it, go outside and play. He wanted to go to the bathroom. He was doing everything in it. I think he brushed his teeth. What were some other things you did in the Oculus that day? Did his schoolwork. We homeschool. He did his schoolwork in the Oculus that day. So I'll link the Oculus in case your family wants to try it out. And hey, while you're down there buying that Oculus, subscribe to my channel. I'll bring you these kind of things and all kinds of other things. You just don't know what I'm going to find next. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, leave a comment, and you'll help me grow my YouTube channel. I'd like to get to 1,000 subscribers this summer. I'm going to need your help. See you real soon.